Hey guys! So it's what is the time right now?
It's 5 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. We're starting our vlog right now, and we are actually going out for something very amazing. You wanna tell them?
So we are helping my brother-in-law plan his proposal for tomorrow, which is obviously a surprise for his girlfriend.
Yep.
And that is why we are going shopping right now to get some of the decor and all the stuff that he wants.
Yes.
And we are gonna do all the decoration as he wants and everything. And then he's gonna bring her over and do the proposal part. So we are very excited for him. So stay tuned with this vlog because
It's
this
gonna be
vlog
super fun.
is gonna continue until this
Tomorrow.
whole things happen.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we did the decoration, and almost everything is done, right? Just little bit.
We are not gonna show you yet.
Yes.
We are gonna show you when they come in tomorrow and when he proposes, and we'll do a separate recording for that, and that's how we are gonna show you the decor and everything. Because tomorrow when we do the final decor, like little things are still remaining, like lighting of the candles and stuff. So once we do everything, then it makes more sense to show you like the complete version. Yeah. So for now, we are not ending this vlog, but we are gonna go have dinner and go to bed since we are very tired and we have to start traveling very soon. So that's what we are gonna do now.
Yes, and let me show you what we are eating. So we are making Korean noodles. Oh my god, it's almost done. We actually don't have too much of groceries at home because we're gonna leave, so we don't want to collect too many things. And we had Korean noodles. We haven't had Korean noodles for a long time, so we're just making that with some Indian spices. It tastes so good. If you guys haven't tried it, you can go to my YouTube channel and check out Indian version of Korean noodles. Yeah. Anyways, let's go and eat. Super hungry, super tired. Good morning, guys. So we just woke up because we slept very late. It's 9 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna give breakfast to Marvel, and today my brother is coming over, so you are gonna see an amazing vlog today. It's gonna be super fun, and I'm just gonna show you clips and bits of what we do in the evening. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna go out for dinner tonight, and that is it for the day. We still have a little bit of work to do. We have to go and get some balloons and cheesecake, and yeah, that is it. So we have to go and do that. Mom is next to the sofa, and you can see the lights of those decoration outside. Anyways, we'll see you in some time, and yeah. Hello, ready for me? Ready? Continue. Okay guys, so we are back home. We got some balloons and all this stuff, so I'm quickly making our lunch because it's very late and we are very hungry. So I made 2 flatbreads. Like I'm gonna etch them like and make something like egg paratha, and that is what we're gonna have for lunch, and little bit of our lentil salad over here. We're also gonna have this, and that is going to be our lunch. Let's start making it.
Okay, everybody, so we have been decorating the room. Not the room, we have been just decorating their, getting ready for their proposal stuff. So you would see some balloons here and there. I'll show you what's written over here later. And you will see our house. So we are creating an aisle for her to walk in. And she's supposed to come in from that way. And there are candles all over the place, so they will be lit. There will be no light absolutely in the house. It's all gonna be just candles. And then she's gonna walk over here, and outside we have blue and red lights on white and gold theme. So this is what has been prepared. And again, there are a lot of candles, rose petals, some sitting area, and all of that we have done for them. This is how he wanted it to be. And you would see, look at all this. Now here we are preparing a dessert and the way and a teardrop in which the ring will be. So I'm creating a teardrop and Tanya is creating a dessert. So I'm creating a teardrop out of ice, and it's gonna be a dome, like literally shaped like a drop, and then there will be a ring inside it, and a little chalkboard, some candles, a lot of candles. Yeah, look at this. It's like a little cozy area. So that is that, and she is creating the dessert as I told you guys, and I am working on a teardrop. So this is what it is. She is creating, it is still wet, and this is a teardrop. So basically, do you see, it's like hollow, and in between we can keep something. So that is that. This is an extra one that we are creating. So basically it's pretty simple. You take a balloon filled with water, let it get iced from the outside but not from the middle, and then you just bust it open so all the water flows out. This is one teardrop right here. So I'm not gonna break it. So that is what's going on. This is all behind the scenes. When it actually happens, when we lit everything up, we are gonna show you one more time, and this camera is gonna record everything. So stay tuned for this vlog.
1, 2, 3. Go! I said, no, go! I was about to say go. You're correct. You're correct. Now it's
I
on the
think just
video.
pick it up and eat it. Eat it from both the sides. Not like that, just pick it up like this and eat
hard.
it from both the sides. It's cannoli, bhaiya.
Okay, it's going in.
Yeah. You eat it from one side and he can eat it from one side.
Why?
Kind of a thing.
There we go. That's too big on that side.
It's okay, you have a good mouth.
Oh my god.
Can you take a video?
Huh.